Meisinger offers two kits for the adjustment and polishing of e.max and lithium disilicate materials. In the Luster 80 kit, we have a diamond abrasive for the adjustment of the material, a pre-polish and high shine in both points and wheels. The intraoral kit has specially developed diamonds for the adjustment of lithium disilicate, as well as, again, pre-polish and high shine. Here we have a e.max crown. You can see it has not been polished. So we're going to go ahead and take our pre-polisher and we're going to lightly touch it on the surface to give a quick, beautiful high shine. When we go to the high shine, again, light pressure. And you can quickly see that the shine that is achieved is absolutely producing a wow factor. Nothing like it works that quick and produces that fine a finish on the market. The lithium disilicate kits were rated as the CR choice in the February issue of the CR report, outperforming Shofu, Brasseler, Cosmodent, Glidewell, Axis, and Comet.